Hello and welcome to Kids Coloring Land. Today I am going to draw fish. If you follow the step-by-step drawing tutorial, you can draw your own beautiful fish drawing. Let's draw with me. I hope you will enjoy drawing and painting with beautiful colors. For more beautiful drawing and painting videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now comes to most exciting part, coloring. Let's start painting fish with beautiful colors. Blue color. Let's paint with blue color. Red color. Let's paint with red color. Pink color. Let's paint with pink color. Yellow color. Let's paint with yellow color. Red color. Let's paint with red color. Orange color. Let's paint with orange color. Yellow color. Let's paint with yellow color. Green color. Let's paint with green color. Orange color. Let's paint with orange color. Blue color. Let's paint with blue color. color. Let's paint with red color. Purple color. Let's paint with purple color. Green color. Let's paint with green color. Yellow color. Let's paint with yellow color. Red color. Let's paint with red color. If you like my work, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.